Hi, if you use your computer or laptop for a long time, you should know these stunning keyboard shortcuts which will really enhance your performance and save your precious time. Windows 10 supports lots of new cool features, several hidden shortcuts and tricks that will make you really amazed. There are plenty of keyboard shortcuts probably you don't know, but really you should. So without wasting time, let's start. If you want to perform multitasking, let's say you want to watch a movie simultaneously with doing your work, you can use this amazing shortcut. Just press Windows key along with the left or right arrow key from your keyboard. You can see your current window will be moved to left or right corner of your PC and you can do simultaneously your work. Next, if you are doing something personal in your PC and suddenly someone enters in your room, then you can use Windows plus D to hide all your work. It will basically minimize all the windows opened in your computer and you can use Windows plus D again to restore them all. Suppose while closing tabs in Chrome, you suddenly close the tab you require. Then to recover this tab, you can use Ctrl plus Shift plus T from your keyboard. Then you can see your closed tab will be recovered. Sometimes some applications become unresponsive. To handle with them, you can use Ctrl, Alt and Escape key from your keyboard. With this shortcut, you can end hand or unresponsive applications in your PC. Let's see some Windows key shortcut. If you want to open any application available in your quick launch, then you can press Windows plus the number of position of that application in your quick launch. Suppose if I want to open this file explorer which is available at position number 2, then I can press Windows plus 2. You can see it will open the file explorer. If you press Windows plus 3, it will open a new command prompt window. Next shortcut is very amazing. If you press Windows plus full stop or semicolon, then it will open an emoji panel for you. Isn't it amazing? You must know this shortcut. Next shortcut is Windows plus L. When you press Windows plus L, then it will basically lock your PC. You can use this shortcut anytime you need to get up from your PC and you don't want people to play with it. If you love virtual desktop, then this shortcut is for you. When you press Ctrl plus Window plus D from your keyboard, then it will create multiple virtual desktop for you. And you can use Ctrl plus Window key and right or left arrow key from your keyboard to switch between them. When you are in Chrome and press Ctrl along with the Shift and the alphabet N, then it will open a new incognito tab for you. You may use Alt along with the tab, which basically used to switch between all open tabs, but you might don't know about Windows tab, which is similar to Alt tab, but it provides some extra functionality such as all virtual desktops and recently used tabs, so you can scroll and see recently used tabs. If you want to take screenshot of particular region, then you can use the shortcut Windows key along with the Shift and alphabet S, and you can select the particular region you want to take. Then this image is copied to clipboard. You can paste it into any image editing tool. Let's see. So in this way you can take the screenshot with the shortcut Windows key along with the Shift and the alphabet S. So that's all for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it and learned some most pretty shortcuts which are really useful for you. Keep learning and keep watching for more videos.